to see the rain in Vancouver. It's a winter game. It should be snowing.
I was checking the snow level. It's 5,500 feet tonight. It'll be 4,000 feet tomorrow.
Okay, that's helpful.
Some of their events are up high enough, but a lot of them are not. So, in fact, look at this satellite picture. I'll show you where the jets. Look at some video. I'll show you the satellite picture today from the up around the state capitol. We were looking at some beautiful clouds, a little mix of rain, snow, some sun, dark clouds coming and going. It was one of those days where you had just about every kind of weather that you could have. In fact, we had quite a bit of snow that fell in the mountains. Now that jet stream showing the track of storms coming in from north of Hawaii, moving right up into Seattle and Portland and up into Vancouver. The problem is this track from the southwest brings up warmer Pacific air, and the snow levels are very, very high. Now, I expect that they'll probably drop down to around 3,000 feet on Monday and Tuesday. So as this storm comes in, possibly there will be a little bit lower snow level. But the problem is, as long as this big ridge of high pressure remains along the coast, the warm track will prevail over Vancouver. Now, speaking of that high pressure, it's right there, right over the top of Utah. And you know, the thing is, the northwest flow was very productive today. Look at some of these snow totals. This is great because we have a lot of folks visiting from out of town, bringing the money to Utah, and now we're providing them with some of the best snow anywhere in the world. 11 inches of new snow in Brighton, 8 inches of new snow at Snowbird, even Montpelier up in the Bear Lake Valley picking up 7 inches of new snow. And it was a mild day today in the valley areas. Delta, 55 degrees. There's a little rain. You see it there in Bountiful, 14/100ths. Escalante had a high of 51. Northeast Ogden, Jeff James reports a little rain and snow at a high of 41. Richfield was 47. And then we had St. George, the warm spot in the state today, with a high of 59. And it's interesting because Salt Lake City, we've enjoyed the warmer spring-like weather since January. You know, January was kind of cold. Well, February, we had a 45-degree high today, which was very, very nice. Tonight, we see the colder weather across the basin. Anywhere there's snow on the ground, you are definitely going to have colder nights and colder days. Well, still a lot of snow in the basin. Still some snow on the ground around Price and around Moab, even some fog at Green River today. But as long as the snow is melted like we have in the western valleys, the next several days are actually going to be fairly mild. Now we have some high clouds moving in from the northwest. Here's the storm bringing rain and high elevation snow to Vancouver and to the Cascades of Oregon and Washington. Watch as this ridge of high pressure, which is over Nevada, begins to move eastward. As that happens, we'll see a lot of sunshine. In fact, Sunday is going to be a very, very nice day, but unfortunately, more rain and snow, high elevation snow around Seattle tomorrow. This storm will weaken as it moves into the ridge of high pressure, pushing towards western Montana and bringing clouds to northern Utah. But with the ridge of high pressure where it is, it looks like Monday is again going to be a very nice day with these mild temperatures continuing everywhere. But as I mentioned, everywhere except for where the snow is on the ground deep in the basin, so it'll only be in the 20s around Vernal. 42 and 15 in Manti, 45 and 19 around Richfield, 53 Kanab. And with the nice sunny weather in St. George, how about a high of 60 and then up to 64 on Wednesday? Plenty of sunshine. Beautiful day tomorrow. Might be a little patchy fog around Cache Valley tonight and tomorrow. And looking for those temperatures over the next 7 days in the 40s. The only cool down possibly on Thursday. And I took the weather out. I took the rain, snow showers out of Wednesday, Thursday because tonight's computer charts say doesn't look like it's going to happen. It's green air quality though. And you see with these warmer temperatures, the inversions have a harder time getting their grip. So air quality, it ought to be just a terrific, beautiful day tomorrow.
48 good on Tuesday, wow.
Not bad at all. And that's above normal, which is good for this time of the year.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks.
Glad to hear it. Thanks.